Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about uGogo Maweni. So uGogo Skotseni has decided to expose uGogo Maweni. Guys, Gogo Skotseni was on live and she was talking about how indoda kaGogo Maweni is cheating on uGogo Maweni. Guys, that clip mina ngithole kunto ka Dr. Matthew, but I also seen ama-clips were off live because I didn't watch that live, guys. So uGogo Skotseni uthi this is not alleged, into anayo because une-proof, but now since uDr. Matthew ayipostile i-proof, I think vele bonyaka sathi alleged because une-proof. On that clip uGogo Maweni is telling husband yakhe ukuthi atshele the girl that is cheating with ukuthi akasamfuni, uhappy banoGogo Maweni, guys. So bathi the allegations, they're also saying i-girlfriend lo wakasabelo is pregnant. So we all know that uGogo Maweni is pregnant with twins. That means uSabelo is expecting 2, 3 or more kids. We don't know who Ugelo uzanama twins or more. We don't know, but he is expecting more than 2 children this year, guys. I guess 2025 is not the year of uGogo Maweni because a lot of things has been happening in Pilenek and I've seen he lost to baby daddy wakhe, he was jailed, kuphuma candles, like it's like month after month there's something ezophuma, guys. And this one into benga expectanga ke uSabelo, but on reality show ka Gogo Maweni ke watch ukuthi uSabelo uke wachitha and uhlala achitha, but she also said ukuthi umuntu ozojola noSabelo uzomfaka isichitho. Mina I don't know whether lamantombazana ajola noSabelo awamsaba uGogo Maweni because mina I don't wanna like I for one yamsaba uGogo Maweni. Angifuni nje ukuthi ngize ngithi lezi ngoma lezi they act as if bayakwazi ukusebenza because you don't know up until you experience it. Judging from baby daddy bakhe laba bayithi ilife yabo ayihambi kahle, and she is saying that hubo obayenzi baba so I mean, if I was uGirl Boy I will never date uSabelo. But guys, I'll also put a clip and a video of Dr. Matthew where he is explaining that there's this sangoma, we know musikuthi ukhuluma ngoGogo Maweni, there's this sangoma who is selling isiwasho se 12 rand nge-300. She now indoda iyamchithela, guys. So we'll see, guys. Please could just watch this video Dr. Matthew and listen to the voice to the call recording, then please comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.
Hey! Zgatka type. Upiwe uzongisuwa. I don't know, I must find another word. So guys, story time. Hey! So there is this celebrity. Well, it's a couple celebrity. This couple, the female is known as a practitioner of dark magic, Bo Hogwarts reporter type of vibe, you understand, and she's always, you know, threatening to target her people, you understand. Right now there is a swasho that you could buy and in 3 days you get a 2 million rand Mercedes Benz, you understand, but that's fine. So it was then recently revealed that the husband was cheating on her to an extent where she had a baby outside of the marriage, allegedly. And we have a recording of this. So now in this recording, the husband is telling the other chick, Ogoti, listen, me and my wife, we are trying to build something. We are understand that. We are destabilized. And all girl in the background, Uti, because I practice dark magic, who a reporter me. Nizoguyenza. We understand. Guys, listen to the audio.
La nginomfazi, we try to build a future. Ngiyacela uphume empilweni zethu. Thank you.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay? And her stupid ass, that whatever you guys were doing together, it is over. And I'm not going to leave you for a rat that stays in Turffontein. A stupid girl of Fasipondo, or you thought it was good enough for you to come. You tell her that you're not interested in that shit. Because she's shit. And you tell her that she's shit. She was only good for then. She's not something you're going to build a future with because she's a fucking asshole.
Lalela,